This is called Kencur. I think this plant only available in Southeast Asia. It's kind of expensive right now. Same like ginger. I mean about the price, kind of expensive because this plant it's a little bit difficult to grow. So I plant some of them in the poly bag. You see here, this one's still small, but looks growing so well. The other one. It is the main ingredient for making pecel sauce. You know, pecel sauce with peanuts, and also used for traditional herbal drink. We call it jamu. Okay.